Hello everybody, welcome back to another statewide roleplay video. Jumping in right back where we left off in part 1. We were in that 1080. We got spiked, ended up flying through the windshield. So now we're going to pick up where we left off and see how this goes. Hope you guys enjoy.
Okay, the cops were back there. Okay.
Yeah. Stop. I'm in front of my red Audi in this tree.
Are there not cop cars right here?
I'm in this bush. Keep coming. There you are.
Do I have you?
Yep, you had me. Oh shit. Yeah, go, go, go.
Okay, get in.
Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake.
Oh, they're coming. They're coming.
Oh shit.
Wait, maybe not. Maybe not.
No, they're not.
I don't. No, wait.
Oh, desync. Sam, there's no way I just got out of there.
Yeah, I was gonna go to jail. I turned around and the cop shot him in his face.
You shot that cop in his face.
Yeah, and then I got shot. I nearly murdered the second one though. If I would have murdered the second one, I think I would have gotten away. There's only 2 on.
Oh man. There's always a cousin you don't know about. You don't even know my backstory. Oh! That's alright, we're dead anyway.
Maybe I'm Ben Rivera.
I literally flew out the window, Jeremy. I'm all the way down here in the ditch.
Oh no.
But I'm coming. There you go. Somebody's taking it.
Yeah, hi, we're at 110 Jode Lane. There was an accident.
Involving how many people?
It was a single car accident, just me and my buddy here.
Okay, how bad are you injured?
I think I'm fine. I don't know about him.
Is he unconscious?
He's just standing there.
Say something
He's
to
just
that.
standing.
I mean, he's standing and walking. I'm pretty sure we're both okay. It just the car's not so much okay, I guess.
Okay, should I send you a tow truck and a unit?
Oh yeah, that would be great.
Okay, so you don't think you need medical? Or do you want to get checked about medical?
It probably wouldn't be a bad idea to get checked. I think we're just in shock more than anything.
Okay, I will get someone down there.
Alrighty, I appreciate it. Okay, now we just wait. Oh, sweet Jesus.
Finally, we got somebody here.
Right?
Alrighty, anyone hurt?
I don't.
Well, I mean, I could have gone to hell and back by the time you guys got here.
Yeah, we were told postal 100, and then I don't know what happened through the communications.
I think I'm
but-
okay.
Alrighty. Do any of you guys need medical attention? We got them on the way, but is anyone severely hurt?
Well, I mean, my leg honestly might be broken. I kind of flew out the window. Like, I tried to jump out before it flipped, and I fell over the guardrail.
Alrighty, let me check you.
Yeah, I was still in it when it flipped and my seatbelt gave out and I smacked my head on the ground.
Alrighty. Medical is en route. We're just waiting for them to get on scene.
Holy hell. You got any ibuprofen in that bag? I'll take that as a no.
Sorry, what was your question?
You got any ibuprofen? I smacked my head pretty good.
I don't believe I would be able to give you that. The medics, as you can hear, are rolling up now.
Okay. Oh man, they're coming in
Man,
hot.
my head is throbbing.
Yeah, I feel you, dude. There it is.
Alrighty, this might sting a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. Alright. The guy in all black has got a broken leg. I've cleaned it as best I can with some alcohol wipes from my med bag. Guy on the left is complaining of some head pain, as well as the one on the right, I believe. He's requesting for ibuprofen, but I didn't give it to him because I don't know if I'm allowed to do that.
Alright. I need
I'll-
to check. Okay, which one is like more like severely injured?
I would say the guy on the right, he's the one with the broken leg. This guy has not reported anything of anything broken.
Alright. Go ahead and make sure he's sitting down because he's standing up right now.
Yeah, buddy, can you sit down for me?
I'm tired of sitting.
I just gotta, because you were complaining of head pain, I don't want you to fall over or anything like that.
Alright.
Man, well, that was me, but
Oh,
Oh shit, I missed my step.
man, I'm about to explode.
Is it hurting, or
I'm
can you
about
just
to
not
pass
feel
out.
it, sir?
I can feel it. That's that's the
Alright,
problem, man.
Well, if you can feel it, what is the pain? 1 through 10, 10 being the
Well,
worst.
my leg is
I'm about
visibly
to pass
broken.
out.
It is slanted.
I could have a concussion. I smacked that floor pretty hard.
Okay, there we go. Wraps on my leg all good.
Alright, he's bringing the backboard over here. Is that one still conscious, or did he just throw up?
he's still conscious, he just threw up. He might have a concussion, he said.
God
He did
damn it.
he did hit the ground pretty hard.
Alright, I'm gonna get him on the
Kinda.
backboard. I'm gonna get this one in the back of my ambulance, and then I'm gonna come back and look at that one. I should have enough room to transfer both of them.
So now they're gonna search the car. They're looking over me, seeing what happens here. They already put my buddy in the back of the ambulance. So hopefully they don't run me. I don't know if they ran the plate on my car after that 1080 or not, so they probably don't even know that I'm the one that they're looking for.
Alright, so it's just a minor cut from the glass.
Oh, good.
Let's just make sure his pulse is steady. It's not low or anything. Okay, alright. That's what I like to see. I'm gonna go grab my second backboard, and then we're gonna get him in that. I'm gonna get him in that ambulance, and then I'm gonna leave here and take them both to the medical.
Alrighty.
We're fixing to get out of here. I don't think they ran the plate on my Audi, honestly. Even if they did, there's no reason they would ask for my ID now anyway.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
And we're moving. This hurts my head.
Yeah, well, can't really do much.
Understood. You got morphine in this thing? Alrighty, we're finally en route to the Sandy Shores Medical Center. Bryce, my buddy Bryce here, is going to get treated for his broken leg and multiple lacerations from the glass and being ejected through the windshield. I'm going to be treated for a concussion and some minor cuts and bruising. And then we're going to see what else we can get into.
Imagine walking away from my car.
Is this you?
Yes. I'm Daniel. I don't even know my last name. Something.
What's poppin', pimp?
Tim! Man, you be lucky I don't shoot you.
Shut your bitch ass up.
You can do that. I'm gonna shoot him.
Who are we shooting?
You.
Oh. Oh my god. I swear nobody knows how to drive. They're running into gas pumps left and right. Now there goes the other one.
Are you still looking for that crit?
Nah. That's gonna get you pulled over. Yep.
God,
There it is. Oh.
lucky I don't shoot him.
I have a spinning circle right now. I'm stuck in something. So I've got to reload.
Yeah, they tried to hospitalize you and it broke the game.
Nice. Great. I love that. We're going to the
What are we doing here, Sam?
Trying to get away from that. What in the world is happening? Are you still at the RV place?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see if I can even drive this. I can.
I'm looking for the structure right now. I don't see it in our DMs.
I haven't sent an idea, but send it in
Oh, did you send it
group chat.
in the group chat? Okay, let me look.
Sub 27 to Charlie 8.
Charlie,
What's gonna be a 20?
we're gonna be coming down Greenwich Highway, getting ready to go to the Baratics Tunnel.
10 for what postal?
Am I good to teleport to you guys or?
OBS, 0
Yeah.
6
Okay.
7.
I would teleport to Jimmy though, because there might be cops looking for him.
Do what?
I would teleport to Jeremy though, there might be cops looking for him.
Okay.
I might have passed a cop.
Oh, somebody's coming after. A cop is wailing it down Joshua right now.
Oh. No, I'm at 16.
Hey, Jeremy.
What up?
Hey, buddy. How we doing?
We're doing okay. I'm just checking to see if I can drive this. I can. Okay, cool. What's my equivalency in Civ? Civ 3, right?
Advisor.
Civilian? Oh, it's civilian advisor?
Yes.
Oh my god, I've been looking at the wrong...
You're smart.
Okay, so I can drive this. Sick.
Sub 27 to 435.
All right, everybody. This is where we're going to wrap up this episode. This is going to be the part 2 episode. However, it was a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be and not as action-packed. I do apologize about that. But that's where we're going to wrap this one up. I want to thank you guys for watching. Take care, and we will see you in the next one.